I forgot how to do this one. How to find the CP.
Just hang on, I will explain.
Okay, so
Ajá, barbar.
So Avyan and Candy, how much more time?
Have sent.
Candy, how much more time?
So I'm sending.
Can you speak the answer, Candy?
So 160.
116, 116.
60.
160 is correct. So I have a good news for you guys. If anyone is not able to understand this concept, they are going to do overtime. So chatty, silent killer, hacker is not there. शायद अभियान का wrong होगा ये. So CP is equal to X. So CP plus 20% of X, that is 20X upon 100, is equal to 192. So that is equal to 5. So I will take LCM. I will get 6x upon 5 is equal to 192. आपने अव्यान क्या किया था?
तो मैंने गलती से 20% ऑफ एसपी कर दिया.
Upon 6. So that is equal to what? 32. 32 into 5 is 160. So have we understood? Next question I'm making. Do it, guys. So Candyman and Mr. Ba and Guy, Goddess, everyone. Send Silent Killer, Pro Gamers, everyone send your answer. Avyan beta, is there a sun in your room?
No, sir.
Then why are you wearing a cap?
तो ऐसे
Ma'am, I sent my answer.
Who is left? Candy and Silent Killer. Candy, send your answer. For others, I am giving one more question. Wait 1 second, guys. You have to find CP. Start doing the next question. Candy, did you practice this concept?
no, sir.
That's good to know because it means that you understood the concept after a little bit of, struggle and work hard and explanation and trying. So all that helped in understanding.
Sir, can I go wash the room?
After giving the correct answer, you can go and watch the room of your neighbors also.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Yes.
so this question, when I'm solving it, it comes in decimals.
अच्छा.
Ma'am, I also.
It's coming in decimals.
The
But
same.
it
Yes,
can't
sir.
come in decimals. Most
It
many
can.
many answers in our
चेंज
school.
कर देता हूँ मैं डेसिमल्स में आ रहा है तो.
No, sir, it's okay.
सर ये बहुत लंबा डेसिमल है, छोटा वाला भी नहीं है.
ठीक है, मैं चेंज कर देता हूँ. गाइस मैंने चेंज कर दिया क्वेश्चन, चलो अब कर लो. फिर गलत हो गया है. फिर
यस
डेसिमल.
सर.
So I'm still getting decibels. Decibels.
It's
Decimals.
okay. Sir, it's okay.
हाँ
I'm
आप कर
almost
लो.
done.
So decimals नहीं आ रहा.
डेसिमल जी आ रहा है. समझ नहीं
चलो
रहा.
वॉट एवर इट इज कमिंग और नॉट कमिंग सॉल्व कर लो गाइस. अप टू 1 डेसिमल प्लेस आंसर दे दें. चेंज करूं क्वेश्चन में.
Yes, sir.
सर नो सर, इट्स इजी.
You can just type the
It's okay.
first 3 digits in the decimals.
So don't change now.
गाइस आप ये भी कर सकते हो और ये भी कर सकते हो, दोनों के अकॉर्डिंग कर लो. किसी से के भी अकॉर्डिंग आप आंसर भेज दो. सेकेंड वन विल नॉट गिव द आंसर इन डेसिमल्स. If you don't want the answer in decimals, you can use this as the SP.
सेंडिंग फॉर डाटा.
हेलो चैटी, मुझे एक्सप्लेन करो. लेट सीपीवी एक्सिस के बाद क्या करेंगे.
Sir, the GPU.
बताओ. यू डोंट नो. बेटा लॉस एंड प्रॉफिट आर ऑलवेज कैलकुलेटेड ऑन वॉज. अनम्यूट रखो चैटी, अनम्यूट रखो प्लीज, मैं आपसे बात कर रहा हूँ. लॉस एंड प्रॉफिट आर ऑलवेज कैलकुलेटेड ऑन व्हाट.
Sir.
ये भी भूल गए. माय गुडनेस, कहाँ ध्यान है आपका बेटा. आप बहुत लॉस्ट हो. प्लीज रीड दिस. क्या लिखा है ये?
Then on CP.
नो, पूरी लाइन पढ़ो बेटा, पूरी लाइन पढ़ो, वो भी 3 times.
Profit or loss percent is always calculated on cost price.
One more time, please.
Profit or loss percent is always calculated on cost price.
So if the loss percent is 15, what will be the loss be?
So 15, uh, 15 upon 100x.
So loss will be 15x upon 100. Now what will be the equation?
15x by 100 is equal to 340.
नहीं बेटा, आप मुझे पहले इक्वेशन बताओ, सीपी लॉस और एसपी की क्या होती है? नहीं याद बेटा? अगर आपको लॉस हुआ है तो एसपी ज्यादा होगा कि कम होगा?
So कम होगा.
तो फिर क्या इक्वेशन बनेगी? सीपी माइनस लॉस इज इक्वल टू एसपी, ये इक्वेशन तो बनेगी. यस और नो?
Yes.
तो व्हाट इज सीपी नाउ?
X.
व्हाट इज योर लॉस?
15x upon 100.
व्हाट इज द एसपी? 340.
3.
अब करो इसको, इवेल्युएट करो, x माइनस 15x/100. यस शेटी, टेल मी.
Sir, 100x minus 15x upon 100 is
That
equal.
will be 85x upon 100. आगे solve कर लेना. This will be 17 upon 20. That is equal to 340. Oh, x will be equal to 340 times 20 divided by 17. That will be 400. Do we understand? राधिया, साइलेंट किलर, चैटी, जयराज, समझ आया? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
चलो. Do this question.
From our school book, I think.
Beta, from wherever it is, you just have to solve it. Okay?
So at 6:35, my laptop will shut. No, sorry, not 6:35 there. 6:35 here. It'll shut down for 1 minute, and then I'll rejoin.
Why is that?
At that time, some problem with screen time.
Okay.
So 8:05 there.
So anyone is able to get the answer? Candy, Mr. Blah, Chatty, Tani Pani, Goddess. No one?
Sir, I sent mine.
Chatty, let's do it together then. Let the, what will I assume as X?
Cost price.
So let the CP be X. So what will be the loss then?
1/7x.
1 by 7x. Now what will be the equation?
X minus 1/7x is equal to 144.
Which will be 6x upon 7 is equal to 144. X is equal to 144 times 7 divided by 6. That is equal to 168. Now 168 is the cost price and SP is 189. So my profit will be what?
19 rupees.
19 नहीं बेटा 189 minus 144 है. Okay. No, यहाँ पे second line में it's written ना if it is sold for 189 तो selling price 189 हुआ ना तो 189 minus 168 is 21 rupees only. What's the problem? Profit percent will be what? बताओ. 21 upon
21 upon
168 times
168
100.
into 100.
So this will be 100 upon 8, that is 12.5%. So Candy, Mr. Ba, Goddess, Tani Bani, Silent Killer, Chatty, Pro Gamers, understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, may I hold the room?
Yes.
But sir, there was some Wi-Fi issues.
All right. So, Chatty, what will be the approach for this question?
First, we will find the cost price. Oh, I thought it was 25.70.
No, beta. So, how will you find the cross price?
So the cost price, we will do 100 upon 100 plus profit percent into selling
Repeat what
price.
we are going to do. CP is X N. Then
So
what I'm
the
going.
so 100 upon 100 plus 10 into 27.50.
Basically, I will do X plus 10X upon 100 is equal to 2750. Do you mean this?
Yes.
Or do you mean something else?
So I used the formula we did in school.
Now you are more comfortable using the formula. I'm asking which method are you more comfortable doing this way or using the formula?
Sir, anyway.
Anyway, so let CP be X. CP plus 10% profit is 10X upon 100 is 2750. That will give me 110X upon 100 is equal to 2750. So X is equal to 275.50 times 10 divided by 11. That is going to give you rupees 25 as the cost price. Now your cost price is rupees 25. So your new profit is how much?
0.75 rupees.
0.75. So profit percent will be how much?
Sir,
0.75 upon
75
25 into 100.
into 100.
That is equal to rupees 3 or 3%. ठीक है? So Chatty and Candy and Silent Killer Pro Gamers understood?
Yes, sir.
So right now I have 3 rupees in my hand.
That's why maybe you cheated this question.
And
Next.
actually, I was really confused, but I just like somehow got to a ratio 3/10. So I thought it was 3%, so I sent 3%. So what is the formula? I wanted to know the formula as well.
But it must be given in your book, Selina Auntie.
Okay, so check it out.
बेटा पर आप बिना फॉर्मूला के बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हो तो मत करो फॉर्मूला
Okay, so
सर कौन सी आंटी
Selena auntie.
डोंट नो सेलिना आंटी
नो सर
वेरी स्ट्रेंज सेलिना आंटी इज वेरी गुड गाइस
ओके सर
So better than R.S. Agarwal.
सर अग्रवाल अंकल
यस
Sir, we have done these questions in school.
ठीक है इट्स ओके दीस आर गुड क्वेश्चंस फॉर प्रैक्टिस डिफरेंट है थोड़े से UI you have to solve this
Okay, sir. Sir, I already sent the answer, but I solved it.
Sir,
Yes.
Mickey Mouse is jealous of Mr. Goga. That's why he knows the price.
Yes.
But Mr. Goga was so happy that he forgot the price.
Yes, that's also true.
Oh, sorry, yes.
UI, since you gave me the answer, you and Mickey Mouse and Mr. Bot, which capsule is this?
It's a
So,
medium.
Plastic capsule.
Yeah,
Plastic capsule.
it's not. Do you think I'll eat a plastic capsule? Who said this plastic capsule?
Sir, it is a medicinal
Sir, the
method.
outer covering is plastic. You should
अच्छा
ask
तो
what the drug
मतलब तो beta, you think that people who are making this capsule are actually using plastic to make the outer cover? Do you think that?
Yes, sir.
Do you seriously think that?
Yes, sir.
Beta, the outer cover is never plastic in any capsule.
Sir, it's metal.
Made up of edible material, something else, not plastic at all. My
Sir, it
goodness,
must
I
be
should
some.
take a GK class also.
yes, sir, take it. Sir, I scored less marks in
A
GK.
lot
GK
more,
was
lot
good.
more people will benefit if you take a GK class.
Sir, we can-
Sir, we can do overtime today and you can teach us GK.
No, sir, please, no, sir. Sir, don't listen to him, sir. Get with my friend.
Yeah, man, correct.
Yes, sir, we want to learn GK from you. God,
Yes, sir.
All right, guys. So look here. So Mr. Gogia sells the car again for 54,000. अब guys, मुझे मिकी माउस का तो कुछ पता ही नहीं है. What price he purchased, what price he sold. But I can definitely find the cost price of Mr. Gogia. Mr. Gogia, you have to speak like this, Mr. Gogia, like this. Then only it's valid. Otherwise, it's not valid. So, what will be the cost price of Mr. Gogia? Let it be X. So, SP of Mr. Gogia is given 54,000 and profit percent is 20. So, guys, again, CP plus profit. Profit is 20x by 100. That is equal to 54,000. So solving this, I will get 6x upon 5 is equal to 54,000. So we can solve this to get x equal to 54,000 divided by 6, that is equal to 9. 9 multiplied by 5, that is equal to 45,000. So this 45,000 is what? The cost price of Mr. Gogia. It is also the selling price of Mickey Mouse. Do we agree? Because whatever which the car, the price of 45,000 was the price that which Mickey Mouse sold and Mr. Gogia purchased. Ma'am, please remove the names. So that is equal to 45,000. अब this is the price of SP of Mickey Mouse. ये आ गया. Loss percent कितना है? That is equal to 10%. And we have to find what? Cost price of Mickey Mouse. तो अगेन आई विल डू x, इसको अब मैं x नहीं ले सकता, मुझे इसको y लेना पड़ेगा। तो y plus 10y by 100, because cost price plus loss is going to be your SP. That will give you 110y.
So we have to minus.
Wait, this is the cost price, this is the loss. We have to minus. That will give me 9y by 10 is equal to 45,000. So that will be y will be equal to 45,000 times 10 divided by 9. That is will give you 50,000.
Sir,
So who was not able to do this question? I think जयराज का नहीं हुआ था, मिस्टर गोगिया का नहीं हुआ था, और किसका नहीं हुआ था? Aganya, you joined late.
Sir, me. Yes, sir. Sir, what did you do after the second step, like x by 1 plus 20 by 100? After that,
बेटा ये हो गया x by 1, ये तो मैंने आपको कई बार बताया. This will be
yes,
x plus x by 5. So LCM will be 5. This will become 5x by 5. That will become 6x by 5.
yes,
आप क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर लिया करो ना. 5 into x plus 1 into x is 6x. 6x upon 5 is 54,000.
okay.
Okay. So next we are going to start a simple interest. Let me change the page.
So I returned 5 minutes ago. It worked, but I'm on a different device now.
So we are going to start simple interest today. I am going to show you a short video.
Says yes and tells Gaurav. So Gaurav's dad congratulates him on his good score in mathematics. So Gaurav's dad congratulates him on his good score in mathematics. Gaurav thanks his dad and, of course, asks for a gift in return. His dad willingly says yes and tells Gaurav that he will be getting a gift of 1,000 rupees. Gaurav is elated and his dad then tells him, "Okay, son, I give you two options. One, you either take your 1,000 rupees today or exactly a year later. Which one would Gaurav prefer?" Gaurav says, "Of course today, Dad. Gaurav does not want to wait for another year." Why did Gaurav want the money today and not a year later, even though it's the same amount? It's simple. He thinks he can spend the money this year. He can buy a football or nice shoes or a PlayStation game with that money and enjoy himself this year. And who knows, his dad might even change his mind a year later. So why wait for another year? This is all you need to know to understand what interest is. 1,000 rupees today is not 1,000 rupees a year later. Let us consider another example. Consider a bank. A bank is an institution which mainly allows us to make deposits and also gives us loan. And this is Edward. Assume he deposits 100 rupees in the bank today. So 1 year later, the bank gives him 108 rupees. Wait, Why did the bank pay Edward more than how much he had deposited? It is simple. The bank gets to use the 100 rupees for that 1 year. So to reward Edward, the bank pays him more than how much he had deposited. Now your concepts are clear. Now we just need to understand some terminologies. This 100 rupees is called the principal. It is basically the initial amount. And what Edward gets after a year is comprised of two parts. One part is that he gets back his principal of 100 rupees, and the 8 rupees that's left with him is called the interest. And what Edward gets after a year is 100 rupees of principal and 8 rupees of interest. So the bank is paying interest to Edward for allowing it to keep his 100 rupees for a year. And the sum of these two is called as the amount. The amount always equals the sum of the principal and the interest. Since Edward got 8 rupees on his investment of 100 rupees, we say that he got an 8% rate of interest.
So let's see one more video to understand better.
So Gaurav's dad congratulates him on his good score.
It's the same video, so I'll explain.
Was it Gaurav or was it Edward?
It was
It was
Gaurav's.
both.
It was Gaurav at first and then it changed to Edward. Like there were two instances.
Oh yeah.
So what is the principle? Either you deposit in a bank or any institution, that can be a principle. Even the loan that you take from a bank or from a friend, that also can be a principle. So let's say principal is 5,000. What is the rate of interest? Rate is the amount or the percent that you have to pay back every year for that loan that you have to take. Let's say rate is 10%. Generally, it is 10% per annum. Annum means 1 year. Per annum means year. What is the time? The time for which you have taken the or loan for. So time can be 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. It can be anything. So simple interest for the first year will be what? 10% of principal.
Plus, yes.
That is equal to what? 10 by 100 of 5,000. That is equal to what? 500. 500 rupees. So that is the simple interest for 1 year. But simple interest always remains same. That's why bank don't use simple interest anymore. They use compound interest. But for just for the sake of concept, we are learning. What will be the simple interest for second year? Again 500. What will be the simple interest for third year? Again 500. There is a formula to calculate the simple interest for 3 years or n number of years. The formula is simple interest will be equal to principal into rate into time upon 100. In short form, PRT upon 100. PRT upon 100. Let's see the same example. यहाँ पे principal क्या था? 5,000. Rate was 10%. Time was what? 3 years upon 100. So what you got 500, 500, 500 for each year, you will get it in one go only. That will be rupees 1,500. This is the interest part, not the principal part. When you return someone the money, that money is called amount. That is equal to principal जो आपने लोन लिया था और which you deposited plus the interest part. Principal plus the interest part, simple interest. So in this case, the principal was 5,000 The interest part will be 1500 and the money that you have to return is 6500. One thing also you must remember that the time in this formula is in years, not in days. Because the interest is in years, the time also is in years. Do we understand, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Yes.
The
Sir,
video ने नहीं बताया
क्या?
The video ने बोला था that the advert gets that money from the bank.
अब बेटा वो अगर आपने ये डिपॉजिट किया है तो ये आपको गेट मिलेगी, और अगर आपने लोन लिया है तो आपको देना पड़ेगा, है ना? इट कैन वर्क बोथ वेज. इट कैन वर्क फॉर डिपॉजिट ऑल्सो, इट कैन वर्क फॉर लोन ऑल्सो.
Yes, sir.
सर
यस.
तो सर फिर वो 500 के ऊपर नहीं इंटरेस्ट पड़ेगा?
दैट इज कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट. वो आप एट्थ में
तो
पढ़ोगे. मैंने आपको पढ़ाया अदृत कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट.
नो सर.
Sir, will you teach
महराज,
us
व्हाट
compound
अबाउट यू?
interest?
पढ़ाया है मेरे को आपने।
ठीक.
Will you
बेटा अगेन वही लेस देन 5% चांसेस हैं अदृत दैट कम्स इन योर एग्जाम.
और मेरे लिए मेरे सिलेबस में नहीं है ढूंढ के।
आपके लिए भी 5% ही है क्योंकि सिलेबस में नहीं है वो.
तो मेरे सिलेबस
compound
में
interest
सिंपल इंटरेस्ट भी नहीं है।
सिंपल
आपको
इंटरेस्ट तो आ ही सकता है, कुछ भी आ सकता है गाइस, कुछ भी आ सकता है. हाँ, क्या बोल रहे हो युवा?
so in compound interest we have to add simple interest then find the interest of the second year and so on.
यस, एग्जैक्टली. गाइस आई एम चेंजिंग द क्वेश्चन अ लिटिल बिट. इसको आप 2 years कर दो. नाउ सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन. Guys, there will be two answers for this question. One, that you have to find the simple interest. Second, you have to find the amount.
So this is the last question of the day.
Should I send the amount?
So Candy, Avyan, UI, Mr. Blash, Shinchan, Gerard, Chetty, you guys can leave. That's all for
Don't
today.
send the amount, but okay. Second Mickey Mouse leave as well.
Yes, so simple interest will be principal into rate, that is 6%, into time, that is 2 years upon 100.
Sir,
So that will be rupees, how much for 2 years? 300. So amount will be equal to simple interest plus principal, or principal plus simple interest. Principal is 2500 and simple interest is 300. That will be rupees 2800. So Goddess, Tani Bani, Guy, Pro Gamers, Silent Killer, have you understood?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Alright guys, that's all for today. I'll see you in the next class. Bye bye, enjoy.
Bye.
Bye, sir.